There'll be a lunge for Marquez, he's up the inside of Rossi. Oh, Rossi just holds firm. Rossi's through the gravel. Rossi's going to win the race. Valentino Rossi wins the Dutch TT. What a dramatic finale. Marquez second. Rossi is the winner.
There goes Rossi.
Yep, up towards the hairpin. Valentino Rossi goes through, and he's made it through on Lorenzo.
All Yamaha battle for third place.
And Lorenzo tries to find the inside of Valentino Rossi. He's got it. Can Rossi retake him? He's going to love doing that. Here comes Lorenzo.